Most AI side hustle videos are selling you a course. This one isn't. These are 5 things you can actually set up this weekend with tools that mostly have free tiers. And I'll tell you which ones are saturated so you don't waste a Saturday. Number 1, Faceless YouTube. It's the one running this channel. You write a script, generate a voiceover with a tool like 11 Labs, pull free stock footage from Pexels, and stitch it together. No camera, no face. The honest part, it's a volume game. One video won't do anything. You're building a library and letting the algorithm find the one that hits. Expect weeks, not days. But the cost to try is basically zero, and the skills carry over to everything else on this list. Number 2, selling AI-narrated audio. Same voice tools, different product. People need voiceovers for ads, training videos, and explainers, and a lot of them don't want to record their own. With a tool like 11 Labs, you can turn a client's script into clean narration in minutes. This one's underrated because the buyers already exist on Fiverr and Upwork. You're not creating demand, just filling it. Saturated? Less than you'd think because most listings sound robotic. Quality is the moat. Number 3, a niche newsletter with AI drafting. Pick a narrow topic you actually understand. Use an AI model to draft, then you edit. Never publish raw output. Readers can smell it. The money isn't the newsletter itself at first, it's the audience you build, which later sells sponsorships or a product. The trap, picking a niche that's too broad. AI news is dead on arrival. AI tools for dental offices is a business. Number 4, productized AI services for local businesses. This is the least sexy and the most reliable. Local businesses, plumbers, clinics, gyms, need things they'll never do themselves. A chatbot for their site, AI-written email follow-ups, a batch of social posts. You package one specific service at one price and sell it. No audience required. The reason most people skip it, it involves talking to humans. That's also why it's not saturated. Number 5, digital products built with AI. Templates, prompt packs, Notion systems, mini guides. AI lets you produce these fast, and you sell them once and resell forever on a platform like Gumroad. The honest warning, the market is flooded, and a generic 100 ChatGPT prompts pack won't sell. What sells is specificity, a product that solves one painful problem for one specific group. None of these are passive, and none are instant. But everyone can be started this weekend for almost nothing. Pick the one that fits your situation, audience building or direct sales, and actually start. Links to the tools are in the description. Subscribe. I break down AI tools and what they actually change every week.